This month's for swing, crawl, knee crawl. We've got the weight shift in the rings doing the ape swing. The basic version that you even just keep the feet on the ground and just shift from side to side. Really trying to condition that lateral movement and get used to kind of more weight being on one arm. Then you can do that with both feet off. And then you want to start to do it. Don't swing too far, just tap, swing back, tap. It's important you do that double swing so that way you get used to it. And then you just turn the hand. I'm cheating a bit because I've got to push off the bars on the side, but you want to get that nice swing. But you can develop that with the feet on the ground, really try and get that reach like that, and then that's what's going to unwind to allow you to get that nice figure eight and keep it consistent. It's a good idea in the classes to set it up so you can, then you just have to bend the knees, try not to pike and stick the butt up, try and keep the front of the hips open so you really get that nice kind of core position. Makes it a little bit harder. If you can set them up higher, it's great. I just like them this height so it keeps it safe. And just try to get rid of the excess as well for beginners, especially when they're grabbing it and the strap's kind of wrapped around and it spins up and stuff like that. So it just makes it a bit cleaner, a bit simpler. So you've got, for the crawl, just doing the new warm-up plank to pike. So it's with the shoulder tap. So usually when we're doing the hands in, just keeping it low and just keeping it like that, shrugging that shoulder, locking the knees out, coming up. But what we're going to add in is that shoulder tap every rep, trying to get as much weight into the hands here as possible, and then walking that out, really getting good control on that step, walking it out as long as possible. So 30 seconds that in and out. And just trying to get that same side tap with the thumb, or the fingertips is even better. Then we've got the kneeling sissy. Usually around 3 reps is good for these. With that for 30 seconds. And then you've got the kneeling hamstring. So this one's quite cool. And let the head fall on. You can round it out a little bit, otherwise you can work it with the arch. Trying to maintain that hip hinge, those shoulder blades down the back, and then come up. So really getting that nice control there. So pretty simple, good movements, get it done. If you've got any questions on it, let us know and film some of your performances so I can give you feedback. Get into it.